On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 Paradigm 385FL by Alliance RV. This fifth wheel offers a generous floor plan with 5 slide-outs, providing ample living space for you and your family. Storage enthusiasts will rejoice at the abundance of exterior storage space, including a convenient rear slide-out storage tray. Stepping up and into the exterior entry door, you're greeted by a warm and inviting central kitchen area. You'll be amazed at the overall openness of the interior. The kitchen island takes center stage, featuring a spacious sink and ample countertop space. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a microwave, range, and refrigerator. The large capacity refrigerator matches the rest of the kitchen with its stainless steel finish. A seated table area surrounded by picture windows offers the perfect spot to enjoy meals. Stepping up into the front living room, you'll find yourself immersed in comfort and entertainment. And accommodating all your guests is a breeze with 3 comfortable sofa recliners. The front living area overlooks the central kitchen, making sure everyone is part of the fun. Even if you're making snacks for the big game, you won't miss a play. Conveniently located by the main entry, a half bath provides added convenience for both you and your guests. Ascending into the private master bedroom and bathroom area, you'll find tranquility and luxury abound. A large barn-style door separates the rear main bath from the bedroom. At the heart of the bedroom lies a king-size bed on a slide-out, making room for the wardrobe, dresser, and TV at the foot. The main bathroom at the rear beckons with its spacious layout and stylish decor. On the left is a large sliding glass door shower, complete with fold-out teak bench and skylight above for extra headroom and wonderful ambient lighting. There's a large sink and vanity with plenty of storage cabinets below for all your linens and toiletries. And in the large closet is a stacked dryer and washer unit, so keeping up with the laundry is easy and hassle-free. With impeccable design and array of amenities, the Paradigm 385FL opens up a world of adventure possibilities. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.